What if I told you everything you see, your phone, your body, the stars, even time itself, was once smaller than a single atom? And what if I told you this entire universe was born from nothing? No warning, no sound, no space to escape. Just one moment that changed everything forever. Before the universe existed, there was no light, no darkness, no time, not even emptiness, because emptiness needs space, and space did not exist. There was no before, because time had not yet begun. Then, around 13.8 billion years ago, something happened that science can describe, but no human mind can truly imagine. The entire universe, every galaxy, every star, every atom, was compressed into a point, smaller than a grain of sand, hotter than any fire, denser than anything we know, and in a fraction of a second, the universe was born. This was not an explosion inside space. This was the moment space itself came into existence. Time started flowing. Reality took its first breath. The universe expanded, violently, unstoppably, faster than the speed of light. This moment is called the Big Bang. At first, the universe was pure chaos, a storm of raw energy. Temperatures trillions of degrees. Matter couldn't exist. Nothing could survive. But as the universe expanded, it cooled. And when it cooled, energy turned into matter. Tiny particles appeared. Quarks, electrons, neutrinos, flashing in and out of existence. For every particle, there was antimatter. They collided. They destroyed each other. But somehow, matter survived. A tiny imbalance, one particle left over. For every billion destroyed, that tiny mistake is the reason you exist today. Minutes passed. Particles joined to form protons and neutrons. Then, the first atoms were born. Hydrogen, helium. The universe now had structure, but it was still dark. No stars, no planets, no light. Just endless clouds of gas, floating silently through space. This era is called the Cosmic Dark Ages. Millions of years passed in silence. Then gravity began its work. Slow, invisible, unforgiving, gravity pulled the gas together. Clouds collapsed. Pressure rose. Heat increased. Until suddenly, the first stars ignited. Light exploded into the universe. For the very first time, darkness was shattered. These stars were massive, burning bright and fast. They lived short, violent lives. And when they died, they didn't disappear quietly. They exploded, supernovae. In their final moments, they created heavier elements. Carbon, oxygen, iron, elements that would one day form planets, oceans, and life. The universe was learning how to build complexity. Galaxies formed, vast cities of stars, spinning through space. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, was born from ancient stardust. Inside it, a yellow star ignited. Around that star, a small blue planet formed. Earth, at first, lifeless. But the ingredients were there. Water, energy, time. Chemistry became biology. Life began, not because it was planned, but because the universe allowed it. Single cells became complex organisms. Brains learned to think, eyes learned to see. And one day, the universe became aware of itself. You, every atom in your body, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, was forged in a dying star, billions of years ago. You are not separate from the universe. You are made of it. And even now, the universe is still expanding. Galaxies are moving away. Space is stretching. One day the stars will burn out. The universe will grow cold and dark. But right now, in this tiny moment of cosmic time, the universe is alive, asking questions, looking back at its own beginning and wondering, how did something come from nothing? That mystery was born with the Big Bang.